Hi, I'm Artificial Fire Tiger. I'm producing music for quite a long time and I want to share some tips and tricks with you. Today we're going to look at creating a brass sound in the Vital synth. So stick around and I'll show you how I've created this sound. Okay, so we're going to go into Vital and we're going to recreate that brass sound. So we're in Vital and we've initialized our preset, so we've got our basic saw wave. And the first thing we're going to do is go into the wave table and we're going to delete these by clicking on the second line here, right clicking and then clear right, which will take all our different wave tables out. We're then going to adjust the amplitude by sliding this up, so we've got a full sine wave coming through now. We're then going to add a modifier into there called the wave warp. And initially it's going to be 0, and then we're going to set a keyframe by moving this to there and right clicking, creating a keyframe. Now as we adjust this X warp, we've already got a brass sound. And that's the basics of making a brass sound really. So we're going to leave that on 20 and we're going to go back to our main synth side, and we've still only got the sine wave playing, and to create this we need to automate this movement on the position, and we're just going to drop our envelope over to there, onto here, and then we'll increase the attack a little bit to kind of simulate somebody blowing into a trumpet, for example, and maybe curve this a little bit. And that's how you create the basics of a brass. I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, and if you've got any comments, please feed them back to me. I'm always interested in seeing what people want. So I hope to see you next time. See you later.